roast it till it's tender, a satisfying treat. But standard taste is boring, we need a brand new sound. A crunchy, zesty topping, the best in all the town. We grab the breadcrumb powder, the base for all the crunch. The garlic adds the savory, the perfect heavy punch. The bright sharp lemon zest, now the key to all the light. A mix of simple magic to make the flavor right. The parsley and the oil, now we blend them with our hands to make a coarse, bold mixture, the best in all the lands. We pull the roasted spuds out, they're steamy and so hot. We top them with the crumble right here upon the spot. The oven gives the finish 1 minute at the most. We get that perfect texture, a delicious herby roast. From gloved and garnished kitchen, a hack that stands the test. The lemon-garlic crumble is simply the best. The potato is the champion, in cubes so brown and neat. We roast it till it's tender, a satisfying